Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Cozy outdoor patio setting at Twilight, featuring a wooden deck illuminated by warm string lights, soft ambient light reflecting from the large windows of a modern house, lush greenery surrounding the area, accents of natural materials like woven sofas and cushions in soft gray tones, a textured dark blue area rug on the deck, decorative pebbles lining the edge. Inviting and serene atmosphere with a hint of romantic warmth, hyper-realistic detail capturing the interplay of light and shadow. A contemporary open-concept living space seamlessly integrated with nature, featuring a modern concrete structure surrounded by lush greenery. The scene is infused with warm, earthy tones, highlighting a cozy seating area with a large, low wooden sofa adorned with soft cushions in various shades of gray and burnt orange. A textured, natural fiber rug anchors the space, complemented by a large, rustic coffee table at its center, adorned with potted plants and a decorative bowl. Modern architectural home in a serene forest setting, featuring large glass windows and a seamless integration with nature. The structure has a combination of dark stone and warm, natural wood elements. The outdoor area includes a minimalist fire pit surrounded by smooth black pebbles, with comfortable gray outdoor sofas and wooden lounge areas on a wooden deck. Lush A serene lakeside patio featuring a spacious, airy lounge space characterized by a large, white, cushioned sectional sofa adorned with plush pillows. The setting showcases natural wood beams and floors, exuding a rustic charm. Soft, flowing curtains drape from the ceiling, creating a fluid boundary between interior and exterior. A serene outdoor retreat featuring a modern pavilion beside a gently flowing waterfall. The scene is set in a lush, green landscape, characterized by a variety of vibrant plants and ferns surrounding the water. The pavilion has wooden slats and offers a cozy seating area with gray cushions. Soft golden light filters through the trees, illuminating the space and reflecting off the clear water. The color palette includes rich greens, natural wood tones, and gentle earth hues, creating a tranquil atmosphere. Cozy outdoor lounge area surrounded by lush greenery, designed in a rustic yet elegant style. The scene features a blend of warm, earthy tones with vibrant textiles. Soft, ambient lighting from hanging lanterns creates a magical atmosphere, illuminating a large, intricately patterned area rug that anchors the space. Comfortable seating includes a mix of plush cushions and poofs in deep blues and burnt oranges. Natural wood accents enhance the organic feel, while the backdrop of a glass-walled room reveals a cozy interior filled with eclectic decor. Modern outdoor living space, hyper-realistic style, contemporary architecture with large glass walls revealing a sleek kitchen and dining area, warm ambient lighting, luxurious gray sectional sofa adorned with cushions, light wooden flooring, minimalist wooden coffee tables, lush greenery in planters, city skyline in the background under a soft sunset sky, tranquil river view, subtle warm and neutral color palette, sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere, focus on sleek design and comfort. Modern desert villa with a sleek, minimalist design, featuring a combination of stone and glass, hyper-realistic style, warm evening light casting soft shadows. The facade includes large windows revealing a cozy interior with a fireplace, foreground with inviting lounge area on a raised platform, adorned with plush cushions, serene swimming pool reflecting the twilight sky, native desert vegetation, including cacti and succulents, surrounding the property, rugged mountains in the A cozy, modern farmhouse exterior at dusk, set in a serene forest landscape. The architecture features a steeply sloped roof, wooden siding painted in soft gray, with warm, inviting lights glowing from the windows. Two large front porches, adorned with stylish outdoor furniture, and a small fire pit create a welcoming atmosphere. Modern house nestled in a lush green environment, featuring a sleek, minimalist design with expansive glass windows showcasing a cozy interior, surrounded by vibrant foliage and tropical plants. The structure is adorned with vertical gardens, seamlessly blending architecture with nature. The warm glow of ambient lighting spills out from the windows, casting a welcoming atmosphere in the evening light. A serene coastal retreat featuring a spacious outdoor lounge area on a wooden deck. The setting includes a low-profile, white-cushioned sectional sofa adorned with soft, neutral-toned pillows. A rustic wooden coffee table sits at the center, surrounded by round woven poofs made of natural fibers.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.